again here in Southern California, doing country the way country can be done when it's fun. The Wild Country Band. Enjoy.
Guess I knew it all along. I'd have to come back home, 'cause this living on the road only makes me tired and sore. Like a bird without a nest, like a stranger in the night. My soul cries out for rest, but the end is not in sight. Just like sweet magnolia wine, honey dripping from her mouth, and that sweet little gal of mine, she's the finest in the South. Now the days are getting longer, the nights are getting colder. I wanna go back home, laying my head upon her shoulder. Guess I knew it all along. I'd have to come back home, 'cause this living on the road only makes me tired and sore. Like a bird without a nest, like a stranger in the night. My soul cries out for rest, but the end is not in sight. Yeah, my soul cries out for rest, but the end is not in sight. The end is not in sight.
Great song, and I like the way we ended it.
We ended it.
We ended it perfectly.
Almost as if the end was in sight.
Gary Swan, you have a beautiful red shirt on tonight, and I just love it.
Thank you very much.
Now, I don't know whether anybody noticed or not, but I worked for 2 or 3 hours today, and I kind of set the set, so to speak. I put the drummer back in the middle. I brought Gary in a little closer. I brought me a little closer to the drummer. I brought Paul up a little bit, and it feels a little cozy. We were getting kind of spread out there, I noticed, you know?
I'm comfortable like this.
I am
like
too.
it.
I feel very good. So we hope it sounds good. We got Tom Paul Wilson. And the reason I thought of him about coming up today and working with us a little bit is because you all know we lost Jimmy Buffett. And even though I never met the man, I loved his music. And of course, the big hit, which was Margaritaville. You know, played that thousands of times. And he's had quite a few others. I think Gary knows one, a pretty good part of it anyways. 5 o'clock somewhere, I think, is that song.
Well, I used to.
Okay, so with that said, Paul.
Yeah.
How's the family?
Family's pretty good.
About 3-4 weeks older. Haven't seen you in a month.
Ollie and Isla were taking swimming lessons.
Oh my God.
And that was fun to watch.
Oh.
Isla was just jumping in the water. She's 2.5 years old. And she was just jumping in the water.
She was going after
She
it.
was going for it.
God,
Totally.
these kids are
Ollie was
great.
doing pretty good too.
These kids are great. So anyway, my quick Jimmy, I'm going to tell the Jimmy Buffett story after the next song, so I won't be talking so much. You know, anyway, we're happy to be back here at Carmine's Country Corner, brought to you by Bob Smith Toyota. And we got Tom Paul Wilson's going to come up, do some stuff with us, and get the Jimmy Buffett thing going. So, Paul, do another one. Then
All
we'll
right.
want to get Gary to doing.
All right, here's a Hank Williams song called You Win Again, doggone it.
Great song. We'll keep
In the key of D. The news is out all over town that you've been seen out running round. I guess that I should leave, but then I just can't go. You win again. This heart of mine could never see what everybody knew but me. Just trust in you was my great sin. What can I do? You win again. Sorry for your victim now, for soon his head like mine will bow. He'll give his love, but all in vain, and someday say you will again. You have no heart, you have no shame. You take true love and give the pain. I guess that I should not complain. I love you still. You win again. I love you still. You win again.
Good job, Paul.
Thanks, Carmen. That's an oldie but a goodie.
I say it's time to get Jimmy Buffett going here and pay that man a little respect. Tom, come on up. You ready? Tom's ready. He's got his amp, he's got his guitar, he's got his iPhone, so we can read the words, jump that fence. And we're coming to you from Bob Smith Toyota, and we're having a great time. I love doing this show every week. I look forward to it.
Me too.
It's been over 3 years, baby.
Ah.
We're still rocking.
And the audience is still there.
You know they are every week, man. It's good. It's good.
We haven't scared them off yet.
Not yet. They keep coming back for more.
And we're gonna keep trying.
Let's do it, Tom. How you been?
I'm good, man.
Glad to have you
I'm
here
good.
today
Thanks
with
for-
us.
Listen, thanks for helping me do a little honor to Jimmy Buffett.
Oh, I thought of you right away. I thought, oh, Buffett, I gotta call Tom. Get him up here.
Doing this for this. Huh? Yeah. Go ahead. Nibbling on sponge cake, watching the sun bake. All of those tourists are covered with oil. Throwing my six string on my front porch swing. Smell those shrimp, they're beginning of oil. And wasting away again in margaritas. Searching for my lost shaker salt. Some people claim that they're the one to blame, but I know it's nobody's fault. I don't know the reason I stayed here all season. Nothing to show but this brand new tattoo. But it's a real beauty, a Mexican cutie. And how we got here, I haven't a clue. Sing along! Wasting away again in Margaritaville. Searching for my lost shaker salt. Some people claim that they're the one to blame. And I think it's time for Carmine to play. I blew out my flip-flop. I sipped on a pop-top. I cut my heel, had to cruise on back home. But there's booze in the blender, and soon it will render that frozen concoction that helps me hang on. Wasting away again in Margaritaville. Searching for my lost shaker salt. Some people claim that they're the one to blame, but I know
Good job, Tom. We got through it.
We got through it.
Tom, while you're up
That's
here-
high praise. We got through it.
Well, I say that about every song because, you know, we only do this once a week, so we're happy. What, Tom? What? Oh, yeah, well, good luck on that one. I wish it was. So, yeah, I was going to tell you real quick. James Burton did one of his fundraisers about 2-3 years ago at Shreveport, Louisiana at the Margaritaville Hotel and Casino. It's a beautiful place right on the water. It's huge. And that was one of the few times that James invited me to go play the show with him. So I went to the Margaritaville Hotel and we did this big 3-hour concert and I got to play a whole bunch and it was great. And we raised a lot of money for the James Burton Foundation. And that was my only connection to Jimmy Buffett. I never met the man, always loved his music. He seemed like a good down-to-home earth kind of a guy. And so I was honored to get to play his place over there. And that's it. Okay, Tom, do another one because we got you up here anyway. So.
All right. I don't know. Keys. It's E-D-A. I mean, E-D-A. You'll know the song.
Okay, what can we start?
Start on A minor. On a long, lonesome highway east of Omaha, you can listen to the engines rolling out as one long song. You think about a woman or a girl you knew the night before. Your thoughts will soon be wandering the way they always do. When you're riding 16 hours, there's nothing left to prove. You don't feel much like riding, so wish the trip was through. Here I am on the road again. Here I am up on the stage. Here I go playing the star again. There I go too. Come on, Carmine, something sweet, man. Most times you can't hear them talk, but other times you can. All the same old cliches. Is that a woman or a man? And you always seem outnumbered, but you don't dare make a stand. Most times you can't hear them talk, but other times you can. All the same old cliches. Is that a woman or a man? But you always seem outnumbered. You don't dare make a stand. Here I am on the road again. Here I am up on the stage. Here I go playing the star again. Here I go, turn the page. Play more. Out there in the spotlight, you're a million miles away, and every ounce of energy you try to give away, and the sweat pours out your body like the music that you play. you lie awake in bed, and the echoes of the amplifiers ringing in your head. You smoke the day's last cigarette, remembering what you said. Here I am on the road again. Here I am on the stage. Here I go, playing the star again. Here I go, turn the page.
Man,
Damn.
Great job, Tom.
good.
Fellas.
Good song. Who did that song?
That's Marshall Tucker. No, that was Bob Seger.
Bob Seger. I didn't,
Bob
wow.
Tucker.
Bob Tucker.
He he did a bunch of good stuff, didn't he?
Yeah.
Yes, he did.
Yeah, well, that's a good song. Gary Swan,
Yes, sir.
hit me.
Okay. All right, I'd like to mention my keyboard company, Hammond Organs, that makes all the keyboards. I played this from rock and roll show Friday night to country Sunday, and I never talk enough about it. Best keyboard on the market. You want to fight about it? Drop me an email. Okay. Here's a tune by, what's his name? I don't remember anybody's name, and I don't want to. So this is a tune from that guy that does this song. I forget what it's called, but it sounds like this.
This is a tune from the guy that did this song. I
Yeah.
love that. I gotta remember that.
One pair of glass pants. That's what it is.
What key are we in? Hey, key A, all right.
She was standing at the front door. I came home last night. Good looking, left
sure where you were going there at the end. You just rode that A chord forever. That was great. That's a good feel.
That's what they told me.
Vince Gill, I saw him live once when he had JD on steel with him, and man,
Oh,
in Vegas, 20 years ago, I think it was, maybe
Good old
longer.
Vince.
Vince Gill, what a great player,
What a
great
great-
singer, God.
And a great guy.
He's done so much for country music. He told me once, true story, I got to meet him with Albert and James at the Crossroads thing. So here I am dropping all kinds of names like I'm somebody. I just hanging out, and we were having lunch, and he said, you know, he says, I am the most ordinary guy you're ever going to meet. He said,
He's
and he was.
He's down home.
He just he'd walk right in here right now and probably say, hey, can I sing one? Can I use that guitar? I'd get up and not even act like anything. He'd just do it for fun. He's that kind of a guy.
He's a good man.
Yeah, he was great. Okay, you did one, did one, Tom did a couple, I didn't do, I'm not going to do anything yet. Paul, want to go again?
Sure.
Let's do it. We appreciate all you folks watching the show. We just got back off vacation. Last week I managed to drive in from Albuquerque. I got here at 7:15. At 8 o'clock we went on and did a show. It didn't do real bad on the hits. You know, not a whole bunch of people watched it, but we got enough. And so we'll be, we're back now, full bloom, strong. Every week we're going to be here 6 to 7. So thanks for watching. Tell your friends, and I'll talk to you in a little bit. Okay, Paul, you got it.
All right.
Kitty.
Crazy Arms. Yeah, 151. This is it goes 151 for all you playing along. 1, 2, 1. Now blue ain't the word for the way that I feel. A storm is brewing in this heart of mine. This ain't no crazy dream, I know that it's real. You're someone else's love now, you're not mine. Crazy arms that reach to hold somebody new, while my yearning heart keeps saying you're not mine. My troubled mind knows soon to another you'll be wed, and that's why I'm lonesome all the time. So take back these treasured dreams I had for you and me. Take back all the love I thought was mine. Someday these crazy arms will hold somebody new, but right now I'm so lonesome all the time. Crazy arms that reach to hold somebody new, while my yearning heart keeps saying you're not mine. My troubled mind knows soon to another you'll be wed, and that's why I'm lonely all the time. Call mine. to hold somebody new. While my yearning heart keeps saying you're not mine. My troubled mind knows soon to I'd rather you'll be well. And that's why I'm lonely all the time. You're someone else's love now, you're not mine.
Jerry Lee.
Oh, yeah, I hope somebody was singing harmony out there with me. Maybe Carrie. Maybe Carrie was singing harmony.
Carrie and Jimmy, man, two of my favorite people.
I was trying to concentrate on, what's the name of that guy?
He's that guy that did that song.
We'd like to remind you that we'll be back here next Sunday, God willing.
Yes, we will.
And I think there's some kind of method where you can donate your car to us, or your RV, or, and that too.
Yeah, 1-877 Cars for Carmine, Country Corner.
Cars for Carmine. But the difference between us and those other agencies, we insist that the cars run and are fully inspectable.
Yeah, they have to run, and they can't be more than 3 years old.
Yes.
Yeah, so we can get that going good. Okay. This old smoke filled bar, something I'm not used to. And I left my home to keep you satisfied. I just called to let you know where I'll be living. Stop by any time and hear the closing time. I got swinging doors, a jukebox, and a bar stool. And my new home has a flashing neon sign. Stop by and see me anytime you want to. And you can always find me here till closing time. And I got everything I need to get a heartache. And I got everything I need to lose my mind. The atmosphere in here is just right for heartache. And thanks to you, I'm always here till closing time. I got swinging doors, a jukebox, and a bar stool. And my new home has a flashing neon sign. Paul, stop by and play that bass any way you want to. You sound so good, I'm gonna play it one more time. to drive me crazy. And I got everything I need to lose my mind. And the atmosphere in here is so good for heartache. Thanks to you, I'm always here at your closing time. I got swinging doors, a jukebox, and a bar stool. My new home has a flashing neon sign. Stop by, see me anytime you want to. 'Cause thanks to you, I'm always here to closing time. Thanks to you, I'm always here to closing time. Damn, that was fun. Anyway, Paul.
Yes, sir.
I like
Oh,
that one
good.
bass lick.
Oh, yeah.
You carried it perfectly.
I got to throw a couple of those.
Thank
in
you,
there from
guys.
time
What
to
are we
time.
pointing at? Oh, thank you. God, I got so many things here to talk about. We've only got, well, we got 25 minutes left. We're good. 20 minutes left. Anyway, that's a picture that Cody Bryant gave me about a month ago, and I never hung it up, and I did today. Many of you musicians out there, if you're watching the show, would know and love and appreciate the guitar player's name is Jimmy Bryant. And there's a whole story about him that I was privileged to find out and know through Don and Doug McGinnis about Jimmy that a lot of people don't know, and I'll tell that later. But Jimmy was a really great guitar player and even a better fiddle player. You know, the fiddle was his number one instrument. So he was, it's kind of like Albert with piano. I think that was kind of his first instrument, but he plays guitar so great, it's hard to distinguish what his main thing is. Well, Jimmy was that way between fiddle and guitar. And the fella sitting on steel guitar, sitting down, was a fellow named Speedy West, who I never had the pleasure of meeting. Jimmy I knew very well. We met in the 60s, and I knew him all the way right up till before he passed away. In fact, I may have been one of the last musicians to get to play with him in L.A. before Doug McGinnis took him back to Georgia to make his peace with the Lord, and he was gone a few months after he took him home. Anyway, that's Jimmy Bryant. I want to show you something else that's kind of fun to us. I hope it's not boring you to death.
Oh, yeah. Let's see that.
But we're going to show you this.
Purdy. This is real purdy.
So we took our little trip this year, Sue and I. It was only 3 weeks, and I was over at James Burton's house in Nashville. He just bought another beautiful home, and this little tile, I noticed around his swimming pool with these tiles, and this is what they were, and they were kind of lining the inside of his swimming pool. And I said, James, those tiles are beautiful. How do I get one? And he said, well, I've got about 100 of them sitting in the garage, and go get one. So I went down and got one of them, because I just thought it was so pretty. So, and he's got his little signature there, JB. I didn't get him to sign it, which I could do anytime. But anyway, I thought, and these guitars are actual James Burton models that you can get at the custom shop from Fender. They're not really, I don't think they're mass produced. They're just kind of, you got to like call in and say you want one. And anyway, I thought that was another thing we did, real quick. And then I'll let Gary do another song. Get Tom back up. Oh. So this little book here, and I'm not going to do a bunch tonight, but this book right here, what I did was I took a book, and as we went across the country, every time I stopped in a restaurant, saw a cute little waitress, whether, you know, older lady, younger lady, didn't matter to us, I would give her one of my little cards that said Carmine's Country Corner, and most of them were very, very receptive. Oh, that's great. Oh, yeah, I'll look it up. And I would ask for their name, and I'd write down just gas station or Denny's restaurant or Waffle House, whatever it was. I've got about 60 or 70 in this book right now from going across. And so through the weeks and through the days, we're going to mention these lovely ladies' names. And I got to tell you, all across this country is full of good people. Everybody is helpful, they help you out, and they treat you right, and America's a great place to live. So I got pages of joy from Denny's restaurant in Flagstaff, Arizona. I got them in Monroe. Every state we went through, we got people to talk about. Oh, and Kent Fox, my very good friend. I never mentioned him. I'm going to tell you, I met Kent Fox before I met, not James, but I mean almost everybody else. I met Kent in the 60s. And he's kind of like a brother to me, so I treat him kind of nonchalantly, so to speak. You know, it's kind of like, but we went this time and I called him and we just met for tea. He had a tea, I had a coffee, Sue had a little something. We visited for a couple of hours. But Ken, I want to tell you, you are in my heart. I love you. You taught me a lot about music. We had a lot of fun together. Me, Kent, and Kent Dunbar, that big tall drummer I'm in love with, lives in Chile now. Anyway, Ken, if you hear any of this, I need to give you a little more attention and a little more something because you're definitely family with me. So anyway, we love Ken Fox, his son Peter, and everybody else.
Where's Kent?
Kent lives in Nashville.
Oh, okay.
And he's got a beautiful home there. And he's been there quite a while now. I remember when he first moved in, I went out there, helped him build his recording studio. And that had to be 20 years ago, 25 years ago. Anyway, Kent, we love you. So I'm not going to read any other names. We're going to let Tom, you want to come up to another one? Sure. Come on, and then we'll close it out with the boys. So we're going to let Tom Wilson, ask him to get up and help us out. And thanks for watching the show. I'm a little stuck with what to say next. I got all this crap in my head. But anyway, we will get to it. All those beautiful waitresses and waiters, too. You know who you are, and all you gas station attendants that helped us. You know who you are, and we love you. I've got your name in my book, and we're going to get to you.
All right, you all know this one. I'm just going to start it. Is that all right?
Do what you want.
Living on the road, my friend, gonna keep us free and clean. Now you wear your skin like iron, press as hard as kerosene. You weren't your mama's only boy, but her favorite one it seems. She began to cry when you said goodbye and sank into your dreams. Pancho was a bandit boy, rode a horse fast as polished steel. He wore his gun outside his clothes for all the honest world to feel. And Pancho met his match, you know, in the desert down in Mexico. No one heard his dying word, but that's the way it goes. And all the faded around us say that could have happened any day. They only let them go so long. Out of kindness, I suppose. Come on, Gary, play me something, buddy. And here we go. Now Lefty, he can't sing the blues all night long like he used to. The dust that Pancho bit down south, it ended up in Lefty's mouth. And the day they laid old Pancho low, Lefty split for Ohio, where he got the bread to go. Nobody knows. All right, Carmine, give it to me, buddy. want to take the last verse?
Poets tell how Pancho fell. Lefty's living in a cheap hotel. The desert's quiet, Cleveland's cold. So the story ends, we're told. Now Pancho needs your prayers, it's true. Save a few for Lefty too. He only did what he had to do. Now he's growing old.
And all the fair others say they could have had him any day. They only let him go so long. Out of kindness, I suppose. Come on, Carmen, play us out, buddy. Thank you.
Tom.
All right.
Tom, I want to thank you for the Jimmy Buffett stuff you did tonight.
Oh.
That was cool.
And soon, you and I, we're going to get another couple guests. We had these two in, did a little talk with them,
Oh, that was so much fun.
and it was so much fun.
Maybe we'll do one later this week if we work it out.
That'd be cool.
I'll call you.
All right, man.
We'll
Thank
get
you so
somebody
much.
up here.
Thanks
We'll
to-
do something.
and thanks to everybody that watches this show. You're getting some of the sweetest, purest talent. He won't say that, but I will.
Well, we're just, I call myself a weekend warrior. But anyway, we're having a lot of fun doing this thing. I didn't think it would last this long. Paul, we're still here almost 3.5 years.
I didn't think I would last this long.
I know. But anyway, we are having fun. My daughter Kim is doing a wonderful job. She went away this weekend and said, I don't think I'm going to be there Sunday. So Tom said, well, I can handle it. And then, Kim loves the show, I think, more than she shows sometimes. Because she called me today. She said, Dad, I'm back in town. I'm going to come do the show with you. So she made my day, for sure. Yep.
Okay, I have a public service
A
announcement.
public service announcement from Gary Swan.
Okay, a very, 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 very good friend of mine for 50 years was the drummer of Three Dog Night, Floyd Sneed, and he passed away in January, and I'm doing a memorial for him the 30th of September. I've gotten letters and videos from Billy Joel's drummer, Ringo's drummer, you name it. The greatest drummers in the world have all sent in great things to say about Floyd. So as it gets closer, if you're in Los Angeles, you'd like to attend the memorial the 30th of September, just mention it on Carmine's Corner, and I'll give you the address, and hope to see you there. Okay.
Well, we'll be there. Where is it? Where is it?
It's in the valley, but we're international, as you know. So
Okay.
Los Angeles, and don't go riding around your neighborhood the 30th, unless you live in California.
Okay, we'll be there. I'll plan on being there.
Even Buck Owens drummer's coming.
Really?
Yes,
Biff Adams or somebody else?
the drummer.
Oh, go ahead.
Okay.
You got a name? Because I know who it is.
No, I
Biff
thought
Adams.
that guy that plays with that guy.
Yeah, okay, that's good. Well, if it's Biff Adams, that's wonderful. I knew Biff before he got the... No, Biff was with Merle Haggard. You are so right. I stand corrected. I'm thinking of Merle. You said Buck. Well, I don't know who that guy is, but anyway.
You know what
Good for
Merle
him.
Haggard said about steel players? He said, I could get Bud Emmons if I wanted to. He said, but then the whole show, everybody'd be looking at Bud Emmons.
He's right. But he was pretty good. But, Paul,
Yeah,
hit us.
Carmen.
Jambalaya on 17.
You want to do jambalaya?
You do
No,
jambalaya.
I'm gonna do I'm Blue, I'm Lonesome.
Okay.
A. Shuffle there. What did I do earlier? Some other songs. No.
I am asleep.
Vamp in A. The lonesome side of a train going by makes me want to stop and cry. I recall the day it took you away. I'm blue, I'm lonesome too. When I hear that whistle blow, I wanna pack my suitcase and go. The lonesome side of the train going by makes me wanna stop and cry. In the still of the night, in the pale moonlight, the wind it moans and cries. These lovesick blues I just can't lose. I'm blue, I'm lonesome too. When I hear that whistle blow, I wanna pack my suitcase and go. The lonesome side of the train going by makes me wanna stop and cry. And listen to Carmen Sardo. When I hear that whistle blow, I wanna pack my trunk and go. The lonesome side of a train going by makes me wanna stop and cry. I'm blue, I'm lonesome too. I'm blue, I'm lonesome too.
Got a little spanky on that one, didn't we there, Gary? Well, we got time for one more, and I think I'm going to do one. Little up. 1, 2, 3. Oh, blue and broken hearted me. Holding to memory. Since you've been gone, no matter what I try to be, this blue and broken hearted me. And I never felt so down and out. Never felt so without. Since you've been gone, no matter what I try to be, this blue and broken hearted me. Every tear I cry is real. Since you've been gone, no matter what I try to be, it's blue and broken hearted me. Oh, blue and broken hearted me. Holding to a memory. Since you've been gone, no matter what I try to be, it's blue and broken hearted me. Thank you, folks. Listen in next week, and we got more surprises for you. Tom, Paul Wilson, I want to thank you for coming up, helping us out with the Jimmy Buffett thing. Gary, I'll see you next week. Great show. Thank you. I love the shirt. We had a good time. And Paul,
Carmine.
what can I say?
See you
Great
next
job.
week.
See you next week, man. Dan, God bless you, brother. See you later. Good night, folks.
Bye.